I'm officially monetized on YouTube, so serving you is now my job. Officially, and I'm so grateful. Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm a yoga therapist, nutritionist. My purpose is to love. So let's get addicted to empowering habits. So, a quick chat on dopamine and serotonin. There's a key here, and that is the benefits of going slow and getting away from instant gratification with our choices. So, what are we choosing? Like what we drink, what we eat, what we do with our time. Okay, I myself, I get so excited about things, many things in my life, and my natural inclination is just to go, go, go and get it done fast. And this is a major issue for myself, and not only for myself, for others in this fast paced society where we don't feel like we feel like we don't have enough time often. So choices that we take more time, that maybe we don't feel immediate gratification or satisfying, as those are the choices that can be the very best. So the old story, who won the race, the tortoise or the hare, right? So slow and steady wins the race, and is so much better for us when we choose things that get our serotonin up, regulating, and we stay away from the things that make us feel really great in the moment. Like when we do cardio and exercise, it takes time. It takes like 45 minutes, maybe up to an hour to do it right. So, me included, slow down to live our best life. In this fast-paced society with instant gratification, we feel like we're so rushed. Everybody's coming at us. We got the same 24 hours in our day as our parents and our grandparents like 50, 60, 70 years ago. We just have to be strong in our mind and guard ourselves. And we can have that feeling, that peace in our heart, and we aren't running around like chickens with our heads cut off. Let's make different choices. I'm going to remind myself that slower usually is better. Hey, I love you. You always have the power to change for the rest of your life. So make every day your best life. So much love and respect. Namaste. Have an awesome day. Thank you.